What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, and today I'm going to tell you about another grant program that I came across for minority owned businesses. All right, so shout out to Miss Precious Austin, member of the Clean Biz Network. She tipped me off to this program, so I want to tell y'all about it real quick. It's being offered by, I think it's Hennessy, it looks like it's being offered by. The website is unfinishedbusiness.us. Okay, so it's unfinishedbusiness.us. When you first go to the website, since it's through Hennessy, you're going to have to enter your birthday before you can even view the website. All right, but I'm going to show my screen in a minute and I'm going to walk through filling out the application. So, but first, before I do that, I want to show y'all. So, I'm looking at my computer right now. A couple of things. So, if you get approved for the grant, you must use this money for payroll expenses, operating expenses, rent, mortgage payments, or utilities. All right. So as long as you're going to use the money for those purposes, then you'll be fine with this grant. Couple of eligibility requirements: it has to be a black agent or a Latino small business owner. All right. So that's the first thing. Business is registered in the United States and its territories with a valid EIN number. All right. Applications must have a physical U.S. address, no PO boxes. All right. Annual sales not to exceed 3 million. Total employees cannot exceed 50. All right. So you can't have more than 50 employees. What else? Owner has to be at least 21 years of age. You have to have been in business for at least 2 years as of March 2020. All right, so that means that basically you probably had to start your business in March 2018. All right. Does not have an alcohol beverage license. So if you have an alcohol or beverage license, then you can't apply for this grant. All right, what else? To receive this funding, you must have a bank account that accepts electronic transfers. And then the final thing is your company has to intend to support the community in the future, and that's just a little thing that Hennessy is doing. I guess they have a motto of never stop, never settle, something along those lines. All right, but you go on that website and you'll see all of the eligibility requirements and everything that this grant can be used for. All right, so I'm gonna jump right into it, walk y'all through how to fill out the application. Let's go. All right, so I'm back right now. You can see I'm on my phone doing the application. It's very simple. You can do it right from your phone. All right, so I'm on unfinishedbusiness.us. All right. Now, if you see right here, you can just click apply right here at the top, or if you want, you scroll down and read more details and all of that. I'm just going to click apply now. And then here's where you can read all of the details as I was explaining to you guys in the intro of this video. So you can kind of read that. One thing I want to point out is they want to let you know that they will and can and may use your business or your likeness in any promotional things that they do in the future. So just be aware of that. All right, it's first come first serve, and I just talked about the use of name and likeness. The application date. So the application is open from June 22nd, 2020 until July 1st. All right, so make sure you get your application in ASAP. All right, and then one form and entry per business, and then one business per owner. All right, so if you got multiple businesses, only use one business. I would say probably use your biggest business, obviously, right? All right, so we're going to jump into the application. These are all the things that I went over with you in the intro of the video. All right, so it's very simple application, very straightforward. All right, so the first question they're going to ask you is the ethnicity of the majority shareholder. All right, so I'm black. All right, can you provide the following documents? Yes, I can. Is your firm certified as a MWDBE by a government entity? My answer is no. I have not registered for any of those certifications. If yes, can you provide certification letter? All right. If your business receives a grant, will your business commit to helping unfinished business to support your community in the future, including promotion of your unfinished business journey and support of fundraising efforts to replenish the unfinished business grant reserves? Obviously, I'm pretty sure you had to say yes to that question. All right. For which accepted business expense are you seeking to support? And so they only listed the things that they approve anyway. So just pick one of these. I'm going to say operating expenses. All right. And then just a couple into some business information. So I'm probably going to fast forward through this part for you guys. All right, so I answered all the basic questions that they were asking for. I'm pretty sure you guys didn't need me for the help for just those basic questions, all right? Then it just says at the bottom that if you have any questions about this application, you can enter it in this field. I'm going to leave that blank. Next, they're going to ask you is about the legal requirements. So it says, I would like to get information about Hennessy, its products, offers, and other related products and other information. I understand that Hennessy may share this information with the other Moet brands. I understand that my information will be used as described here in this privacy policy. So I'm going to opt out of that. If they deny my application because I don't want to get promotional information, then oh well. All right. The next one is I agree to the terms and conditions of Unfinished Business Initiative and verify that all information submitted is accurate. So you definitely want to check that. I affirm that the business for which this application is being submitted does not have a liquor license. All right, so like that. And I understand that the owners who receive a grant must agree to allow Hennessy and its partners to use their name and likeness, as well as the name and likeness of the business name on the application. So I'm fine with that. Then you click submit. All right, and that's pretty much all there is to this one. So it's a very, very easy, simple process for this application. Then you can see they have some contact emails here. They're saying that look forward to hear from them soon. And since the applications close in July, I would assume that you're probably going to hear something, around July time. I don't know. I wouldn't expect to hear something sooner than before July. So I'll keep you guys posted and let you know what happened with my application if it does get approved, so you can know what the next steps are. And other than that, I wish you guys the best with your business. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to try to keep keeping you guys updated about more grant opportunities because it seems like more and more businesses are starting to do this. So thank y'all for watching. Again, like, subscribe, share, comment. I appreciate y'all. AJ Simmons, I'm out.